Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking your first actionable steps. Enable account sync and confirm storage so nothing is lost. Create a single primary label, call it one quick, to funnel every incoming idea. Once done, set the mobile quick capture gesture and add the keep widget. This makes capture instant. You will understand why. Speed reduces friction. Make sure to test by saving a 10-second voice note and a checklist item. Now you move into the complex middle steps, organizing and automating. Use color coding and keep only 3 to 5 consistent labels per project so scanning is fast. Once labeled, convert important emails into notes and attach images. Keeps OCR lets you search printed text later. Then set reminders with dates or locations and use recurring reminders for habits. Also, sync selected keep notes to Google Tasks when a task needs a deadline. This bridges finish by refining and reviewing to complete the system. Each week, review new captures, archive or delete what's done and merge related notes into one master to reduce clutter. Backup critical notes to Drive or export a copy periodically so you have redundancy. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Force stop the app, clear cache, then re-enable sync and sign in again. If issues persist, export and re-import notes. This usually restores consistency and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.